Hi guys, this is Gavin, part 2 of my Wesco Wallace and gromit clock. It's actually now working, as you can see. Light comes on. I'm not sure if you can see it very well. And what this does, it does. What you do, if the clock goes off, you push Shaun the Sheep's head, but it does the demo as well. So here we go. So that's the Wallace and Gromit Wesco's clock. There's Wallace, but because the other one what I got, it hasn't got the handle, it broke off. So I don't know why, but the other eBay seller was a bit didn't realise that it was broken. So yeah. So here's the clock again. This is the clock from the close shave when Wallace and Gromit cleans it. So there's Gromit got his soap, clean the clock. That's what I have to do in the minute. It's all dusty. So here comes the light. Light works, and I'm actually love this. So what I need to do is put it on the floor, because if I'm going to tell you what make it was, I've got to be careful. Oop. Hang on, let me put it on here. Be careful. It's 1998, made in China. Wallace and Gromit. This is a limited edition of 1989. But it's got two batteries, as you can see. It's got one there and one there. As you can see, I left the batteries on the floor, so I'm going to pick them up in a minute. So yeah. So, and there's the box where it came out. I had a bit of problem getting it started up, but it's now working, so I'm pleased about that. So, yeah. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed that. So that's part 2 of the Wallace and Gromit alarm clock. It's called the Mooing alarm clock, and it's got the music from the close shave, as you can see. So thanks guys.